A smart number strategy for word problems on fraction question is taking some good starting number when we have all fractions in the question. Reasons to use this particular strategy is it helps us to solve the question quickly. Basically, it makes our calculation easy. The other one is to avoid common answer traps. Now, the type of fraction questions where we can use this particular strategy is when we find that question has numbers in the form of fractions only and the question asks about fraction only. For example, what fraction of the students are boys? What portion of the income is spent on rent? Now let us understand this strategy in detail with a question. Messi pays 1 by 8 of her monthly income for her music classes, 1 by 8 for arts, 1 by 8 for martial arts classes, and 4 by 5 of the remainder for computer classes. At the end of each month, if Messi puts half of her remaining income into a saving account, what portion of Messi monthly income does she put into the account? Now, if we observe here, so what we can figure out that the question has the numbers as fractions only. That is, for music classes, she is spending 1 by 8 of the monthly income. Arts classes, 1 by 8 of her monthly income. Martial arts, she is spending 1 by 8 of monthly income. Computer class, it's 4 by 5 of the remainder income. And saving account, she is putting half of the remaining income. And the question asks for what portion of Messi monthly income does she put into the account. So basically the question is again asking for fraction, right? So these two observations are good enough to think of a smart number strategy. Now in a smart number strategy, we know that we have to give a good starting number so that our calculation becomes easy. So will you be able to tell me that to what variable over here should we give a good number? Yes, it is monthly income. Now let's take a good number for monthly income as 80. Now why only 80? Because this particular number is divisible by all the denominators here, right? 8, 8, 5 and 2. So that's the reason this is a good number because it will make our calculation easy. Or we can say take the product of distinct denominators to get a smart number. Now once we have the starting number in hand, that is the monthly income as 80, we will get music classes. So that's equals to 10. On arts classes, she is spending again 10, 1 by 8 of 80. Martial arts, 10. Computer classes, she is spending 4 by 5 of the remainder income, right? So first of all, we need to find out what is the remainder income. So out of 80, she has spent 30 on all these, right? So the remainder income is 50. So that means on computer classes, she is spending 4 by 5 of 50. That is 40. Now coming to saving account, how much she is putting in the saving account? Half of the remaining income. So again now, what is the remaining income? So she has spent 30 over here, 40 over here. So total she has spent 17 till now. So the remaining income is 10. So how much will go in saving account? Half of 10, which is equals to 5. Okay, now the question asks for what portion of her income does she put into the account? So that is 5 by 80, which is equals to 1 by 16. So that's the answer to your question. So here are few practice problems.